Have this in the Nissan Frontier going out. So in total, I did 8 gigs that day. If you're going through it and you're down on your luck and times are rough, keep your head up, stay positive, and do good things. Understand that karma is real. Karma is a real thing.
Yeah, there's love, there's hate, lies and games, faith.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how I made $963 in less than 8 hours using my 2025 Nissan Frontier Pro X, and it has a 5-foot bed, and I'm going to show you how I did it, what tools I used, and I'm going to try to put this information out there so that it could benefit all of you guys that are looking to do something similar, or that you just, you want to have the ability to make some extra income. So yeah, let me go take the vehicle out of the garage, and I'm going to go into in full detail and showing you guys how I made this money and how you can do the same. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, so first let me start out by saying these results, they're not typical. So this is not like a regular day for me. I would say, so basically right now I'm working mostly off of the apps and referrals. And with the apps, I'm saying, like, I work 7 days a week, like legit. I work 7 days a week. I'm either doing photo shoots, and I charge $150 an hour to do photo shoots. And then, I do these delivery gigs. So for the most part, the Nissan Frontier is what I'm using. Like, if I have to go do a photo shoot, I'm gonna 9 times out of 10 I'm gonna take the Nissan Frontier to go do that photo shoot. So it's making me money one way or the other. So it fits both roles very, very well. So that's another good thing about the Nissan Frontier. And why? Oh, by the way, let me say this first and foremost. For my last video, right, when I talked about the recall, I know a lot of you guys only looked at the title and probably the thumbnail. You didn't watch the video all the way through. If you watch the video all the way through, you'll see, like, I actually put in some other information other than the recall that is beneficial to all Nissan owners. So go back and watch that video all the way through if you hadn't. And for those of you that did, then when I talked about that recall, it really only affects 1,217 vehicles that were the Roush models of the Pro 4X. So it doesn't affect the Pro X, it doesn't affect all the other trims. It only affects the 1,217 Roush models, and those are the ones that were sent off the Roush to get the Roush suspension and all their treatment done to it. So if you don't have a Roush model, then the recall doesn't affect you. So just wanted to put that out there. Don't hate on these trucks and start saying how, the new Toyota Tacoma is better and all that. Stop it. Like, these are awesome trucks. So Frontier gang, stand up. Like, I'm all in with Nissan. I love this truck, and I'm going to continue to keep this truck. Now let's get back to this video. I just had to put that out there because I was reading some of you guys' comments, and it seemed like, you felt like I was hating on Nissan or anything. That couldn't be the furthest thing from the truth. My main focus was helping the people that had that model go in and get that recall taken care of so their lives wouldn't be at risk. I didn't want to see anybody get hurt. Like, we all love our trucks, but I want to make sure nobody gets hurt. And it's not a fault of Nissan. It was really a fault of Roush. So just want to put that out there. Now, if you have one of these trucks and you want to make some money with it, I'm going to tell you straight out, these are the apps that I use to make money with it. So for this day where I made the $963, it was using Dolly as well as using GoShare. So with Dolly, they have a lot of their gigs are with IKEA and with Lowe's, and they tend to pay really well. They also have apartment moves or haulaways and stuff like that. You can do all of that through the Dolly app. And on this day, I had some pretty good deals. So I had one pickup, one haulaway was for a a Peloton bike, right? So it's for a Peloton bike, and the lady, she told me, she was like, hey, this thing is really heavy, you know? And I was like, oh, okay. I was like, so why don't you just sell it? Like, sell it online or something. And she was like, well, I didn't want anybody, you know, some stranger coming in, some unverified person coming into her house, because I guess she lived like in a nice, well-to-do neighborhood, and she didn't know who was going to come by it or whatever. So she said she'd rather go through the apps and have the person be verified, that somebody that there's a background check on and all that stuff. I was like, okay. And I was like, she's like, yeah. So she, you know, she basically told me, like, you don't have to dump it. She's like, if you want, you could take it, you could sell it. And I didn't really think about it before, but I was like, all right, I guess, you know. Initially, I told my wife, and she's like, oh, just bring it home and maybe we'll use it. So I was like, all right, cool. So I took it, loaded it up onto the truck, brought it home. And that gig paid $60. So they paid me $60 to go pick up that Peloton, bring it home. So I was like, all right, bam, $60, dropped it off. Then I went back to work, and I got a bunch of, like, so in total, I did 8 gigs that day. And each gig was like $40 or $41 or $42. And in total, I did 8 gigs and ended up making, I think it was $323 in total. So I made about $323. Then you add on the $60 to that as well. So I made... And then I was like, you know what? Let me see how much it's going to cost to, to buy one of these things used. So I went online, looked up to see what they were selling for online, and I was shocked. These things were selling for like $700, $800, some $900, and $1,000. And I was like, man, but I saw a lot of them were pending sale. They were just sitting there. So I was like, you know what? Let me price this thing to sell and see what's going to happen. And I put mine's up for $550, and I made like a quick little video, and I'll put it here so you guys can see. All right, so here's the Peloton, and works perfectly. Just haven't been using it, so we're going to be selling it for $550. So yeah, first come, first serve. Yeah, so I did that quick. I put it up there, put it to sale, and man, that thing's so quick. So I'll also put up, you know, some of the gigs that I did that day using the Frontier, so you guys can see what that looks like as well. Second load of the day. First one I didn't record. I was kind of like in a reflective mode, but it was like a bunch of tires, almost same size as these tires here. So I had 4 of them back here. Now I got this. This is about a $40 run. Not that far, and normally I would use my tie-down straps, but because this is kind of flimsy, I use my bungee cords here, and that should hold that in place. And yeah, let's get out, let's get another one done, let's go. Got another delivery done in our Nissan Frontier. We got like a 85-inch TV and a chair, it looks like. Got 2 more orders out in the Nissan Frontier. Here we go. What do we got today? We've got 2 Glacier Bay Pro Series dual flush 2-piece high efficiency toilets. I have this in the Nissan Frontier going out, plus this. Yeah, so when you add up everything I did that day, from, you know, the haul away, picking up the Peloton, picking it up for $60, selling it for $550, plus the $323 I made from all the gigs that I did, and altogether it ended up being about 8 gigs in less than 8 hours. I made $963. And I want to put that out there for you guys, right? Because I'll be honest with you, when I first decided to start doing this thing, everybody was telling me, oh, it's too saturated, there's no money in it, you're not going to make any money, just go do something else, go get certified and do this. But I was like, man, I really wanted to do this simply because I felt like it's something that I can do and still have my freedom. I can still have time to spend with my kids and my family. And the most important thing to me was the time. I needed freedom of time to where I can still come and shoot YouTube content for you guys, because I actually really enjoy doing this content. Like, I really enjoy putting out videos, especially when I know it can be helpful to you guys. Like, I love putting out videos like this when I know it could benefit you guys a lot. So that was like, you know, the main reason why I decided to kind of lock in and get serious with doing these gigs and stuff, because it does give me the freedom, the time to still make content and still help my wife out, you know, with the kids, and spend time with both my wife and my kids. So this ended up working out perfectly for me. And I wanted to put this out there for any of you guys that are thinking about getting a Nissan Frontier and you didn't get one yet. You don't have to get the Pro X or the Pro 4X or the Dark Armor or any of those. You can just get a basic S or SV and do exactly what I'm doing. You can get in on a Nissan Frontier with a King Cab for about $28,000 and start doing these. And like I said, I told you the apps. You could download GoShare, you could download Dolly. You can just put the word out in your neighborhood that you have a truck. You can go buy a lawnmower and put it on your truck, and you know what I mean? You can use these things to make legit money. So, you know, for anybody that's going through it, anybody that's struggling, I wanted to use my journey as motivation to you guys, so you guys can see that there's options out there. There's things that you can do where you can use these trucks and make a good amount of money, you know? So like I said, I work 7 days a week, so I'm always working. So if you take your time and you add everything up, let's say I'm only doing about $300 a day, and like I said, I work 7 days a week, that's $2,100. So you could be making $2,100 a week. That's $8,400 a month. You know what I mean? So that's something that can actually really benefit your life in a very positive way. And it's something that I want all the young people out there, if you're thinking about doing something illegal or doing something wrong, don't do it. Just go work a regular job and do what you have to do to get the money to be able to afford a truck like this. And then once you get this, you can follow my lead and you could be making, you know, close to $9,000 a month just doing gigs, if that's something that you want to focus on. You know what I mean? And then what I would tell you guys, for those of you that are struggling, or you don't want to go the traditional route of going and getting a degree and being, you know, working in law or working in healthcare, you know, doing the traditional jobs. Let's say you can go pick up a trade and become a cybersecurity expert. You could become a IT tech. You can become a systems engineer. You could become all different types of engineers. You could become a plumber. You could become an electrician. There's so many different ways that you can make money. Hold on. Nissan Frontier power for the win. I'm getting ready to go do another Lowe's pickup, so yeah, I'm taking you guys along here with me, so you can see there's Lowe's right there. But yeah, so there's a ton of different ways that you can get it, and I want to open you guys up to all the different things that are out there. So if you're in a rough situation and, you know, let's say you lost your job or anything, but you have one of these trucks, then hopefully I provided you with a way that you can use your truck to make money and make pretty good money while you're at it, you know? But yeah, man, but that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Race Car Friends, out. Another thing I want to put out there for all you guys, right? If you're going through it and you're down on your luck and times are rough, keep your head up, stay positive, and do good things. Understand that karma is real. Karma is a real thing. And I want you guys to focus on doing good things, treat people with respect, treat people right, and God will always bless you. God will go ahead and bring good things your way, you know? Good things will happen to you. So that's something I want to put out there, man. Keep positive, keep stepping in the right direction, work hard, and understand, like, all the stuff that I'm showing you is hard work. So just be aware of that. It does take some sweat equity, but it does pay off.